Hi guys, welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to change email address in iCloud. Let's start. So I'm in iCloud.com. I'm using my PC. You could also do this using your iPhone or your MacBook, but right now I'm using my Windows. However, even if you are using your MacBook and iPhone, you cannot change your email address through here. You need to go to id.apple.com. And then pretty much you could have you could actually you would be led to this page. So I'm just using what we have for support at apple.com, guys, just for security reasons. But this is how it looks like, okay? So say, for instance, in my case, yeah, this is how my page would look like. And then based on the instruction, you go to appleid.apple.com after signing in. You just choose on Apple ID. So once you click on that, it would actually show you this one. So in my case, if I need to click, yep, so I can just change my new Apple ID here. However, I cannot do that because I am using my Apple ID. But just to give you an idea, this is how it looks like, and then this is where you would change your email address. So once that's done, if you change your Apple ID to a third-party email address, check your email for verification code, and then you enter the code once you have that. And then you just need to make sure that whatever email address that you're actually using, okay, you need to update also other, because say for instance, if you're using your this email address for other subscriptions, then you might need to update that one as well. So here there is like some reminders for you as well. Again, you could always go to support@apple.com for step-by-step instructions, and if you want to learn more about iCloud, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.